the most potentially damaging threat to Placer County, economically and operationally, is from a large damaging wildfire.
My experience in this area is that each year we're going to experience some type of wildland fire.
We are at a high fire risk community, and we have to meet that challenge with a reliable water system.
We have areas that have tremendous municipal water supply systems, but we also have very rural areas that do not have those municipal water supplies. So we respond accordingly.
Hydrants are key for us, but they're not the only water source. In those areas that are deemed to have limited water supply, we ensure that we bring the water with us.
Every type of dispatch we have has a certain amount of equipment that's sent based on things like water supply. In a more rural environment, the initial dispatch may include water tenders, where in a more urbanized setting it won't. All of that requires planning. It requires working with agencies like PCWA to get hydrant data and overlays and maps, and then that is all built into our CAD system so the dispatches are as seamless as possible.
A lot of people don't realize that all the fire hydrants in Placer County are connected to the same water system that serves their homes and businesses, which is very, very reliable.
If you see a blue dot in the street, that means it's a fire hydrant, and if you see a green dot like this, it shows our access points. And so here, to your right, is a fire department access point that allows us to get back into the wildland.
The most important part of fire season planning is what happens beforehand. What happens when neighborhoods are being built, what happens where homes are being placed, and the defensible space around those homes.
We are heavily involved with the planning department to ensure that all new plan developments have adequate water supply, adequate flow. That has to be certified by our fire marshal before the permits are validated by the county.
When we build that system in coordination with the development community, they can be assured that when a fire truck pulls up, there is going to be water available at those sites.
One of the things that homeowners can do to help firefighters is create defensible space around your home. Have landscaping that is fire resistant, ensure that your trees are trimmed back, and reduce those louder fuels.
As folks start thinking about defensible space, we want to be able to help in our own small way by providing them water-wise, fire-wise landscaping rebates to help redo their property to be a little bit more water-wise and hopefully a lot more fire-wise.
We want people to understand that there are a tremendous amount of steps that they can take to give themselves the best chance for survivability.
As a resident of Placer County and the city of Rocklin myself, I would tell residents to have faith in your fire departments, have faith in your water system, understand that we are preparing for disasters and that we try to mitigate those disasters before they even occur.
I live right here in the community of Forest Hill. It is a higher fire risk area than some parts of the state that are more urbanized, but the benefit is that you get to live in a great place. And our job here at PCWA is to make sure that it remains a great place, both from a water supply standpoint and our collaboration with our fire departments.